Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to make a quick video because I have this thought for a while and I felt the need to put it out. So I've been thinking, sorry, I've been thinking about how people might kind of say negative things about eczema, like when you're suffering from eczema. I really don't like to even use the word suffer, but when you have eczema and you say, oh, this is terrible, why am I suffering, and why am I the only one that needs to itch, all these negative things that you could say about the situation. I really don't believe in expressing these things. I'm not saying that you should suppress it, but I think it's so important when you're trying to heal the body to kind of shift that negative words to a little bit more positive words. So yeah, like of course I have been in that mind space where I think, oh, like, why is this happening to me? Or why did I do this? Or all these more of a negative speech. I never found that helpful, so I consciously tried to change that language to, okay, what can I do to help myself? Not to think, because I feel like when you think, why is this happening to me? Why am I the only one that has to suffer, or all these things? It's just a downward spiral, I think, and you don't really get anywhere that's helpful. So I think it's so important when you're trying to heal your skin and things get difficult to just focus on, what can I do right now to help my body and kind of give myself relief, and try not to think, why is this happening to me? This is terrible, and all those more of a negative words. And I also don't like to hear people describe eczema as chronic disease, because yes, I was told when I was little and when my eczema was getting worse during elementary school that probably I had to live with the eczema for the rest of my life. And I think it was mostly due to the steroids worsening the skin because it was damaging my immune system. And of course, it's not going to get better. Things are, other organs and other parts of the body are negatively affected. So how do you heal? It makes sense now that I understand more about the body and what steroids do to your body long term. But at that point, I was told, and it wasn't nice to hear that I had to live with it for the rest of my life. But then came the topical steroid withdrawal, and I learned that through this holistic way of eating, that you have the power to change your genetic expression. You may have the eczema genes, but that doesn't mean that you have to have eczema for the rest of your life. Lifestyle really matters. That's what I learned through topical steroid withdrawal. And of course, I kind of moved away from it because I think I was too young to appreciate what just happened. How the Japanese vegan diet helped me to get through topical steroid withdrawal and give me eczema-free skin for a couple years, and I didn't see the big picture of what just took place. So later in life now, I fully understand. So I cannot imagine going back to how I used to eat, because it's just, I see the big picture. I see how food, what you put into the body, affects how your genes are expressed. I find it a little bit sad when people say, oh, I have chronic disease, this is what I have to live with. I disagree. Changing lifestyle, I feel like there's stigma to it, because maybe it feels like you're doing something differently from the norm, but the norm is not, I don't think the normal way of eating, like standard American diet, all these things, it's not normal. It's creating diseases, and data is out there, so you can look, you can find the data, but standard American diet is not the way. It should not be the norm. That's how, this is really where I feel passionate about the food that we choose to put into our body. Sure, like, I think it's so hard to change it because your taste buds are so used to them and you find them delicious, but when you change to a whole food, plant-based lifestyle, you realize how good your body feels, and it's kind of addictive in a way because your body feels good, you're putting great nutrition into your body. It's just, and then on a side note, it's great for the environment. So, and environmental issues are very important nowadays. And anyway, that's kind of going off track from what I want to focus here. But yeah, you have the control. There's so many people sharing how changing lifestyle has been meaningful and had so much impact. So today I just wanted to share that perception, how you view your situation matters, how you express or how you think about your situation, how you perceive your situation. I think it really affects your the way your body heals, because mind and body are connected. And also eczema is not a chronic disease. You can change things by changing your lifestyle. You have the power to change things. you're not stuck. It's not a hopeless situation. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.